What's going on, guys? Do have another Watch Gang wheel spin victory right here. This is a mystery black tier watch, so I'm hoping it's an automatic. I have no idea what it is. I just finished doing a video on this other Watch Gang wheel spin victory. This was a level 1 flash wheel. It's a Heritor. Gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely love the color scheme, the feel. All in all, good watch. But we're going to go ahead and bust this open. This is, I mean, the thumbnail, you guys will know what the watch is going into it, but as of the recording of this, it's a mystery. Let's bust it open. Stay tuned. Okay, Cadola, no clue, never heard of this brand, never seen any watches from this company before. Okay, interesting. So in the foam up here, all the cards and information, it's actually numbered, number 71 of 190. Limited edition, the new Caledonia. Okay, it's a limited production. This timepiece is unique, so they only made 190 of them, supposedly. It does not mean it's a cool watch. Just because it's limited does not mean it's okay. It is decent looking. It's a quartz watch. It does have a lot of heft to it. It's a chronograph, so you can see the chrono. There's the seconds going. So I'm going to get all this wrap off and we'll really take a good look at it. Alright, so the first thing I would like to add is these links are a gigantic pain in the ass to size. I went ahead and pulled 2 links from each side, my standard. And yeah, it was a giant pain. This bracelet looks really nice, don't get me wrong, kind of a Speedmaster-ish type of style. But this, or Seamaster, I'm sorry. This was a giant pain to size. I haven't put it on my wrist yet to see. Figure we'll take a look. It does have brushed and polished center links, outer links. Nice detail work going around the side of the case with the polished edge. Do have an insignia in the crown. Gotta say, definitely made with quality. The coin edge is very, very nice. So, and for being a quartz movement, I did notice, I started the chronograph, that's actually pretty smooth for a chronograph. You can see the texturing on the dial. The contrasting colors is kind of a burnt orangish type of almost red color. At the 4:20, you know, in between 4 and 5 o'clock, you have the date window. So it is nice overall. This looks like an aluminum bezel. I don't believe that's ceramic. No, that is ceramic. I'll be damned. Quite impressed. 120 click, very satisfying. Nice and tight and sharp. Let's see how it lines up with 12 o'clock. Lines up pretty. We have another click? Yes, we do. Lines up pretty well, not spot on dead center, but good enough. Good enough. Screw down crown, so that's nice. Date's not snappy, but that's okay. And then this is nice and smooth. It's floaty but precise. I like that, so we'll adjust the date later on. Stop the chronograph. Okay, nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and see how it fits after removing 2 links. I can actually remove more, but it actually looks really good on the wrist, I have to say. While not what I was anticipating getting, and I'm not really a fan of quartz anymore these days, this is a good looking watch. It's hefty without being too heavy. Obviously, I'm going to go micro adjustments and make this fit a little bit better. But the dial, the texturing on the dial is sharp. The ceramic bezel, nice touch. Screw down crown. This is a solid piece. This is a solid sporty daily wear type of piece. I do really like this. Let's take some measurements. See what we're looking at here with crown. With crown's 47. It's gonna be hard to get. So we got 44, but at the same time it's hard to really fit in a groove here. Let's try, yeah. So 44 millimeters, so it's got a pretty stout presence. It is pretty thick at 14 millimeters, but not too thick. Lugs be 22. So I have a lot of NATO straps that will work with this because my Seikos are all 22 millimeter lug width. So I'm pretty happy about that. I have a lot of NATOs that will work with this. Standard clasps, nothing special. Butterfly lock. Doesn't really have any play, so that's nice, because a lot of them tend to have play and kind of ruin everything. Overall, this is a solid watch. This is solid. This is daily wear type of stuff for me. This is a very nice piece. I'm very happy with this one. Yep. Would I prefer an automatic? Of course I would have. But for a quartz watch, I gotta say, I love the look, the feel, and it's a different watch from all the others I have. It's a chrono dive watch. I love my dive watches. I don't have a ton of chronographs, so it is nice to have. I'm digging it. Overall, happy with my wheel spin victory. This was a level 2 win. Was the black tier for that. It was a membership wheel. Was a flash wheel that popped up. I like spinning the wheel, as you guys know. If you're interested in spinning the wheel, link down below. I don't have a membership to WATCHGANG. I just like to spin certain wheels when they pop up, when I see watches I like. This was a mystery win. I didn't know what it was going to be. I do have a platinum tier wheel spin victory just like this, only this was black tier. The platinum's coming, so that should be an automatic. I'll be pissed off if it's not an automatic for being platinum tier. But that'll be the next one. That'll be coming in about 2 weeks because it's for the month of November. So I get 1 month of November platinum. So overall, very happy with this. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more watch-related content. And until next time, guys, y'all have a good one.